Club of Miramar and Sir Movin Gudino has supported us so much from the initial stage. I really would like to thank him. He has said most of it already. Just like L is getting has its recognition, the same way we wish E to have its own standing on the streets. And every teenager and everybody who's driving on the roads knows that there's a senior citizen behind the wheels. They should leave them on their track and not honk and trouble them and increase their BP. And as it is, senior citizens are they have knee problems, and getting into the car, driving is a big thing. Getting out, it takes time for them. So we want everybody to be patient and understand that they need to have patience when these people are on the streets.
My hearty congratulations to Rotary Club Miramar, led by Preeti Seth, and also Mr. Lucky, who is been behind this project. I think it is a fantastic program which they have launched, whereby you can see the sticker, elderly driver. Just like we put L, if a driver is learning, what is it? Give respect to that person because he is still learning if it is L. So don't go close to him or try to trouble him and block him and all those things what happen. Tomorrow when this E is seen, I want to make it in fact mandatory. I will see how I can get it officially inside, where elderly people putting this sticker will be respected by others. They will know somebody old is driving that car, so they will not go and honk and try to make him speed up and go and have an accident or all those sorts of things what happen. So this is going to create a new awareness on the roads for the sake of the elderly people. There was one of the best vintage car programs being held on 19 December of last year. This is the second time we had organized. It was better than the previous time, and I promise that this year it will be better than the last time. And we had as many as 51 cars, vintage cars, classic cars participating. They are promising me that this time there will be more than 100 cars and coming from all over the country. So it's going to be a really classic program. Having said that, in Goa we don't have a separate registration number for the vintage cars, which I am going to now introduce, so that people know that they are vintage cars with V and whatever that is required. I will be doing that in consultation with them. So they will have a separate series altogether, which will help them to preserve their car, maintain their car, get it on the road whenever such programs are there. We cannot forget, we are also a tourism state. We need to promote such programs. So that's why that vintage car rally I had, and it's going to be better and better.
Yes.
आया था क्लिप जो मैंने अपने बेटे को फॉरवर्ड किया, और मिरामार रोटरी क्लब वालों ने इसको इनिशिएटिव लेके किया। ये सिर्फ हम वास्को के एल्डरली लोगों के लिए नहीं है, पर आई एम श्योर कि जब गोवा से बाहर जाएगा, जब आपकी रिपोर्ट जाएगी बाहर प्रेस पे, तो बहुत जल्दी आप देखेंगे कि पूरे इंडिया में ये फैल गया। उसके लिए आप लोगों का जो सहयोग है, मीडिया का स्पेशली, क्योंकि आप ही लोग हैं जो स्प्रेड करेंगे। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, और हमारे मिनिस्टर साहब जो मेरे बहुत पुराने फ्रेंड हैं 30 साल से, उन्होंने भी हाँ कर दी ये बात सुन के। आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू ऑन माई बिहाफ एंड बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल द वेटरन्स, जो हमारे वेटरन भी सब रिटायर लोग 60 एंड अबव, तो वो सब लोग बहुत खुश हैं आज कि ये जो इनिशिएटिव लिया गया है, और वो भी एक ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर के थ्रू लॉन्च हो रहा है। दैट इज ए बिग थिंग। आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू। क्यों जरूरी? ये जरूरी तो सबसे बड़ी बात है, जब एल्डरली ड्राइव करता है तो उसका एटीट्यूड एक अलग होता है, धीरे धीरे एक साइड से चलता है, पर पीछे से जो लोग आते हैं जब, वो तो हॉर्न बजाते रहेंगे, और आप थोड़ा अभी हमें भी तो साइड देने के लिए सोचना पड़ता है। तो कई बार मैंने खुद नोटिस किया हूँ कि वो आके साइड में आके अब्यूज़ करना शुरू करते हैं, तो ये एक सिंबल होगा।